Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need administrator access and a quick backup of any game saves before you begin. First, close Rockstar Launcher and check Task Manager for lingering processes, end them. Next, open Task Manager's Startup tab and disable Rockstar Launcher so it won't relaunch at boot. Once done, make sure Windows is set to show hidden files. That helps if you later need to remove launcher data. These steps stop immediate restarts and prepare your system for deeper removal or blocking. Now, take control of background services and networking. Open Services, MSC, and set any Rockstar or launcher-related services to manual or disabled. Stop them if running. Then create an outbound Windows firewall rule, blocking the launcher executable to prevent updates and forced sign-in. If the launcher still relaunches, rename the exe or move it to another folder so shortcuts fail. You can always restore the file later. These steps prevent automatic updates and network when you're ready to finish. Uninstall Rockstar Launcher from Settings apps to remove the official components. Afterwards, manually delete leftover folders in program data and your user app data roaming/local paths to clear cached credentials. Once removed, restart the PC and verify no processes remain. If the uninstall fails, boot to safe mode and remove files, or use system restore to a point before installation. One key troubleshooting tip. If the launcher still appears, check scheduled tasks or third-party updaters that may reinstall it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.